So hello learners, hope you all are doing great. And today's video, like English practice, and here she's checking my practice. She's checking my speaking, evaluating, evaluate how I speak. And yes, hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And my name is Ashwani Verma, as you know, and I have taken off 90 days English improvement challenge, but it's too much late. But no problem, slowly and gradually I improve a lot. Not a lot, but yeah, I am improving day by day. It's depend on consistency, and nowadays I maintain my consistency, so that's why I improving. So yes, let's start this video.
Okay, so in today's video, I'll just give him one word and then he has to make a sentence using that one word. Very simple, very beginner level. But the thing is that once he make a sentence using that word, I'll pick some another word from the sentence itself. And using that sentence, he has to continue like this. Kind of a chain will make using one sentence after the another. This is how we are going to practice this. So let's get started. The first word for you is English.
English. English is very important language in today's world.
Important.
Important. Why important?
So, for learning English, what is important that you can mention?
Important. There are so many practices, and every practice is important for improve this language.
Okay, that's great. Language.
Language. There are too much language in today's world, but if we have mastery this language, then we definitely get a good job, and we open our doors in future to create something new in our life.
Job.
Job. There are so many peoples in India. There are so many people in the world, and they depend on jobs.
Okay, people.
People. Okay. I really want to talk with people in public place.
Okay. Place.
Place. There are so many places in India where foreigners comes and they explore so many things.
Okay, explore.
Explore. I want to explore whole India, whole world in my future, and I want to making vlog in English. So that's why I can help beginners to achieve, to learn from me.
Future.
I am very passionate about my future.
Passionate.
If you are passionate to learn any skill, then you definitely achieve in just upcoming 1 year and 1 year, 6 months and 1 year.
6 months to 1 year, right? Skills.
Skills. English is a skill, not a language, and not a subject language.
It is a language, but considered the highest demanding skill in today's corporate world. Okay. Language.
Language. I know 3 languages right now, like my mother tongue, Hindi, and English.
Okay, mother tongue.
Mother tongue. Mother tongue is a first language when we born. Like when I was born, then I learn that language. So that is my mother tongue language.
Naturally, you learned that. You got the environment to learn.
Yeah.
Okay. First.
First. At December month, when I started my YouTube channel, then I posted my first video on my YouTube channel.
YouTube.
YouTube is a platform where we grab all information about world.
World.
World. In world, there are so many word. How can I make sentence on word?
You can say this language is spoken in the entire world.
Yeah. There's all in word, all in word. Uh, Everyone speak English in every country, in every state. The whole word is connected with English language.
Speak.
Speaking practice is more important rather than listening.
Listening.
I listen a lot every day, like English podcast and English conversation. So it's really helpful for me.
Helpful.
If you really helpful for anyone, then you learn more and more.
Learn.
I learn I learn every day one vocabulary to improve my speaking style.
Vocabulary.
There are so many vocabularies, but don't burden on yourself. So you just learn slowly and gradually, and you just go with one vocabulary one day.
Burden.
Initial days, I took burden on myself. How can I improve this language? But now I am very comfortable because I maintain my consistency, and day by day I improving my this communication skill.
Comfortable.
Okay, break your comfortable zone if you really want to improve anything in your life.
Anything.
If you really want to improve this language, there are four pillars like reading, listening, speaking, and writing. You go for any practice, but you keep maintain the one practice and keep maintain your consistency with one practice, and you definitely achieve your fluency.
Achieve.
My goal, I want to become a good communication, so that is my that is goal I want to achieve in my future.
Goal.
Everyone decide the goal, but if they are not consistent and they have not good courage to improve, to achieve their goal, then you fail, I think.
Courage.
For speaking practice, for making video, you have to you have to maintain your courage and confidence.
Maintain.
Maintain your consistency, because with consistency you learn every day, and you touch every day with English, and then you definitely achieve your fluency.
Fluency.
Fluency is very no, I love English fluency because English fluency is very attractive, so that's why I really very passionate about English fluency.
Attractive.
If you're looking good, then you attract so many peoples, and if you great communicator, then you definitely achieve then you definitely attract so many
People, not peoples.
people.
Okay, I think that's it.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah. So people must be thinking that whom I am just, gesturing to stay silent and I'm laughing. There is my youngest niece. Guddu, come here. अभी तो बोल देना
इधर आओ
हाय माय नेम इज गुड्डू सिर्फ बोल देना हाय लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब ना बोल दे ठीक है
उधर कैमरा में बोलो.
सो हियर शी इज बोलो
Hi.
बोले like,
Like,
subscribe
like,
And-
to
to
this YouTube channel.
this YouTube.
नहीं दोबारा से बोलो
Like,
Like,
उधर देख के बोलो
subscribe
sky
to
to
this
this
YouTube
YouTube
channel.
channel.
Thank
like
you.
share and subscribe to this YouTube channel bye bye
Bye.
Bye bye.